Hi all, and welcome to the Watch Lobby. Today's video will be my first unboxing on YouTube. We'll be unboxing a pre-owned IWC Ingenieur 3239, which has just arrived into me. I'll also give you my first impressions on the Ingenieur, and we'll run through how to resize the bracelet. If you'd like to see an in-depth review of this piece, please hit that subscribe button, as I'll be creating an in-depth review video once I've spent some time with this IWC on wrist. Just to note, I've already removed the packaging from the larger postal package. However, it is still shrink wrapped, so this will be my first time I see this piece as well. They've done a brilliant job packing this one. Now, up top, we have a simple polishing cloth with a warranty booklet of the retailer I purchased this piece from. And here it is, the IWC Ingenieur 3239. When purchasing this piece, it was described as mint, and just looking over the watch, it absolutely is. I can't see any imperfections on it at first glance. As most of you out there that have purchased pre-owned pieces will know, it's one of the things that run through your mind as you're waiting for its arrival. Has the seller described it accurately? As expected, under the watch cradle we have two brass pushers, which are used to resize the bracelet, which we'll go over a bit later on. There's a small IWC pouch which contains another polishing cloth, an IWC operating manual, and also the warranty manual. And here it is, the first time on wrist. Taking note that this particular piece was short one link when purchased. Sized up with a full bracelet, I think right around 7¼ inch wrist will work. Anything bigger than that would most likely need to get links added. For the first time having this piece on wrist, the fit and finish are stunning. One of the first things you realise is it's fairly hefty on wrist, considering the measurements. Nonetheless, for spending less than 5 minutes with this piece, it's absolutely everything I was expecting. Let's jump into resizing this bracelet. I'll apologise in advance if any of this appears sloppy, as I made this video looking through a camera screen. Prior to picking up the Ingenieur, I heard so many people talk about the bracelet, but I couldn't find much out there, so I figured this would make for a great video for anyone else out there looking for this type of information. I've already opened up the bracelet to make it easier to show you all what actually needs to be done. Opening the bracelet will be the exact same steps as I'm about to show you. As you can see, there are spring-loaded buttons down the center of each link, and another off to the side of the end link. Both sides of the bracelet are obviously the same. With your IWC, you'll get these two brass pushers, which is all we need to resize the bracelet. You'll take the first brass pusher and push down on the center spring-loaded button of the link above what you're looking to remove. While you're holding the button down, you take the second pusher from the side and push out the bracelet pin. It really is that simple. If you need to remove the center section of the bracelet, that can also be done by sliding out the bracelet pin that's holding it in place. Putting it back together is the exact opposite. All you need to remember when putting the bracelet back together is to ensure the holes through the links and center links line up so your bracelet pin can slide through, and also the center button is pressed in. Once you push your bracelet pin through, you must ensure the center button has been depressed. In my experience, while making this video, sometimes you'll hear the button depress as you slide the pin through. Sometimes you'll just need to give it a small push with your brass pusher to release it. As you can see, when I put the bracelet back together, the center button didn't automatically depress. Giving it a quick push with the brass pushers has now snapped the pin back into place. And that's all there is to it. I hope this quick video will help any new IWC owners looking to resize their own bracelets. From here, I'm planning on getting some substantial wear out of this piece and returning with an in-depth review where I can add some further feedback. If this video helped you out, please leave a comment down below. Like this video and subscribe so you can see more how-tos and watch review videos in the future. Thank you for watching and stay safe.